Hello, everyone. My name is Joshua Arneson. I am the president and founder of ARNE.Technologies, a company that specializes in providing services in the reality capture and 3D mapping technology space. I specialize in drone technology and 3D laser scanning technology and helping companies adopt and implement with education into their existing company workflows and work streams. We work with a lot of engineering firms to provide precise maps and models of the 3D built environment, as well as 3D terrain in BIM and GIS systems. The problem that we're going to be talking about here today is a challenge submission to the Business and Leadership Conference for 2026. The problem: small manufacturers lose months training new workers. Experienced machinists and shop employees, the most experienced ones, are pulled off the floor and production slows down. And many times when these employees, they go on to new opportunities or they're lost, a lot of the experience in troubleshooting and maintenance of these shop machines is lost. That's where the idea of Shop Twin comes in. Shop Twin is scan once, and then you attach knowledge to the scan of the shop. So think you do a 3D scan of the shop, and within that shop, you have all the machinery and a virtual workflow through the shop, taking the trainee shop technician through each stage of the manufacturing process within the shop. And each stage is the machine, and for each machine has its own training module. The impact of this is that training time is cut by 30 to 50%. You need to spend less time training new employees, and the knowledge base of the experienced employee workforce is preserved in a documented single source of truth. And this can be a project or a program that utilizes existing scanning technology and media training technology into an affordable shop of small to medium-sized workshops. The beauty behind this is that the model of the space used for the virtual training and virtual walkthroughs for the new shop technicians can also serve as a single source of truth and a modular framework for Machine Pulse, which monitors energy consumption and machine use efficiencies, and Shop Comply, which can act as a single source of truth for safety documentation and other sorts of regulatory compliance type things. So again, my name is Josh Arneson with ARNE.Tech. This is Shop Twin concept. It solves shop training times by reducing the amount of time skilled labor is pulled away from where it's most efficiently utilized to help train new people on existing platforms and documentation. Thank you for your consideration. Peace. So I'm back at the Business and Leadership Council, the Joseph Center, for a competition where I've joined a team that's going to be pitching a invention idea to the small manufacturers of Illinois. So there'll be some cash prizes. Fingers crossed. I'm feeling pretty good about my team and our submission, so stay tuned.
You're getting the skill worker to you in no time.
After going through the program, and so we cycle them.
We claim it.
Less mistakes, more control. A smarter system, that's the goal.
As a fellow waitlister, I really appreciate the opportunity. And I just want to thank you for the inclusion. God works in mysterious ways, so God bless. Thank you, everyone.